And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 236. Let me show you the Mosaic tiles, photo filter, under filter, filter gallery. It's in a texture folder, third option. You can also find it via the drop down here where it's alphabetically sorted. And as the name suggests, it is a texture, but it's a dynamic one, so you can adjust it. The tile size adjusts the size of these squares. The ground width is then for these gaps between the squares, and light and ground, this is for how dark or how bright these gaps appear. So it's pretty straightforward to adjust it, and as I've said, it's a dynamic texture. Don't forget to confirm via OK. It's going to offset your image just a little bit. You can see that when we compare it to the original. And this is how you can use this Mosaic tiles filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.